Hello, my adventurous learners. Welcome back to another exciting journey with me. Today, we're delving into a topic that can truly transform your travel experiences at 10 essential English phrases that will help you navigate the world with ease and confidence. Traveling can be one of the most exhilarating experiences of our lives. However, it often comes with challenges, especially when it comes to communicating in English. Many travelers find themselves struggling to express their needs, ask for directions, or even order a meal in a foreign country. This can lead to frustration and missed opportunities for meaningful connections. But fear not. The good news is that using simple, everyday phrases can make a world of difference. These phrases are not just about getting by, they're about connecting with people, sharing experiences, and making memories that last a lifetime. So, grab your travel journal, open your heart, and let's explore these phrases together. Phrase 1. Can you help me, please? This phrase is your friendly lifeline when you're in need of assistance. It's polite, inviting, and opens the door for connection. When you say, "Can you help me, please?" you're expressing your vulnerability and inviting someone to assist you, to help you. Imagine this: you're in the enchanting streets of Prague, surrounded by stunning architecture, but your map isn't quite making sense. You see a local and, with a warm smile, you say, "Can you help me, please?" Their eyes light up as they eagerly point you in the right direction, perhaps even sharing a little backstory about the fascinating sights along the way. My learners, let me ask you, when did you use these phrases? Since these phrases are as perfect if you answered by saying "when I am lost," "when I need directions," or "when I require assistance" with anything from finding a hotel to understanding a menu, a bus station to find a bus, a gas station to find a gas. You are correct. It's a simple yet powerful way to foster goodwill and create connections with the locals. The second phrase to use during traveling is, "How much does this cost?" Understanding prices while traveling is crucial for budgeting, and this phrase is your best friend in that regard. By asking, "How much does this cost?" you're showing respect for the seller's time and expertise. Picture this: you're exploring a vibrant night market in New York, surrounded by colorful stalls filled with handmade crafts. You spot a beautiful piece of jewelry. With genuine curiosity, you ask the vendor, "How much does this jewelry cost?" This not only helps you avoid confusion, but also opens the door for negotiation and friendly conversation. When to use it? Use this phrase whenever you're shopping, dining, or booking activities. It's a straightforward way to engage with the local culture and get the best deals during your travels. Phrase 3 is, "Where is the restroom?" This phrase is a basic yet essential phrase for any traveler. This question ensures your comfort while exploring new places. Asking, "Where is the restroom?" is direct, easy, and polite. Imagine you're in a bustling cafe in Rome, enjoying a cappuccino, when suddenly you realize you need to find a restroom. You catch the eye of the barista and politely ask, "Where is the restroom?" They smile and point you in the right direction, allowing you to enjoy your time without any discomfort. When to use it? Use this phrase in restaurants, shops, airport, or public spaces. It's a small but important part of your travel vocabulary that can make your experience much smoother. 4. I would like to order. This phrase is your ticket to enjoying the local cuisine and engaging with the culinary culture of the places you visit. When you confidently say, I would like to order, you're expressing your choice while inviting the server to share their expertise. Picture this, you're seated in a cozy bistro in Paris. The aroma of fresh baguettes filling the air. The waiter approaches, and you smile saying, I would like to order the duck confit, please. Not only does this show your eagerness to try local dishes, but it also opens up a conversation about the restaurant's specialties. When to use it? This phrase is perfect for dining out, whether in a fine restaurant or a street food stall. 5. Do you speak English? This phrase is your gateway to communication, especially in non-English speaking countries. Asking, do you speak English? Can help you navigate language barriers and connect with locals who may be eager to help. Imagine you're in the bustling streets of Tokyo, trying to find a specific restaurant. You approach a friendly-looking local and ask, "Do you speak English?" With a smile. They nod and may even offer to walk you there, turning a simple question into a delightful interaction. My learners, use this phrase whenever you're unsure of the language spoken around you. It opens the door to conversation and shows that you're willing to engage with the local culture. 6. Can I take a photo? Asking for permission to take a photo is not only polite, but also respectful of local customs. When you say, "Can I take a photo?" you're engaging with others and capturing memories in a considerate way. Imagine you're visiting the breathtaking Grand Canyon, and you spot a family taking a picture against the stunning backdrop. You approach them and ask, "Can I take a photo?" They smile and agree, and you not only get a beautiful shot, but also a lovely memory of shared excitement. Use this phrase when you want to photograph people, local art, or significant landmarks. It shows your appreciation for the moment and can lead to wonderful interactions. Phrase 7. What do you recommend? This phrase invites locals to share their insights and experiences with you, enriching your travel experience. When you ask, "What do you recommend?" you're showing genuine interest in their culture and preferences. Picture this, you're at a local diner in New York, looking at a menu filled with delicious options. You turn to the server and ask, "What do you recommend?" They might suggest a hidden gem on the menu or share their favorite dish, giving you a taste of the local flavor you might have otherwise missed. When to use it? Use this phrase when dining out, exploring cities, or seeking local experiences. It's a wonderful way to engage with the culture around you and make informed choices. Use this phrase when dining out, exploring cities, or seeking local experiences. It's a wonderful way to engage with the culture around you and make informed choices. When to use it? Use this phrase when dining out, exploring cities, or seeking local experiences. It's a wonderful way to engage with the culture around you and make informed choices. Phrase 8 is, I'm lost. Admitting that you're lost can lead to great adventures and new friendships. When you say, I'm lost, you're inviting help and opening up a conversation. Imagine yourself in the winding streets of Venice, admiring the beautiful canals, but then you realize you've taken a wrong turn. You approach a local and say, I'm lost. They smile warmly and not only provide you with directions, but might also share some interesting facts about the area, turning your moment of confusion into an enriching experience. This phrase is perfect for when you find yourself disoriented. It can lead to unexpected discoveries and connections with the people you meet along the way. Phrase 9. Is there a discount? This phrase can save you money and is a polite way to inquire about deals, especially in markets or shops. Asking, is there a discount? Shows that you're aware and engaged in the shopping experience. Picture this. You're at a souvenir shop in Mexico and spot a beautiful hand-painted pottery piece. You look at the shopkeeper with a friendly smile and ask, is there a discount? They may smile back and offer you a better price, leaving you feeling savvy and satisfied. Use this phrase when shopping or booking activities. It's a friendly way to engage and potentially save some money during your travels. Phrase 10. Thank you very much. Gratitude is a universal language, and saying thank you very much is a heartfelt way to express appreciation. This phrase helps you connect with people on a deeper level. Imagine you've just enjoyed a fantastic meal at a local restaurant in Bangkok. You smile at the server and say, thank you very much. This simple act of kindness can brighten someone's day and create a positive connection that lingers long after you leave. Use this phrase whenever someone helps you or provides a service. It's a small gesture that goes a long way in building goodwill and making your travels more enjoyable. My adventurous learners, these 10 phrases are your companions on your travel journey. They will make your English sound natural, warm, and engaging. Remember, every time you use these phrases, you're not just communicating, you're creating connections that will enrich your travel experiences. You don't need to be perfect in your English, you just need to be yourself. Use these phrases with confidence, and you'll find that each interaction brings you closer to the heart of the places you visit. Keep exploring, keep speaking, and remember every word you share is a step toward building bridges across cultures. Happy travels!